Hey, if I didn't already say it before, if there's any videos that you like to see and you want to keep watching videos from those people making those videos, you got to watch them and you got to give them a thumbs up and you got to subscribe to their videos or they're going to be gone. With the new rules and regulations from YouTube, you got to have 4,000 hours of viewing time and you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers. So please, for everybody out there that wants to keep your channel up and running, subscribe to channels, give thumbs up. Let's get these people what they need so they can monetize their videos. Hello everybody, this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. I got to remember to put this battery on the charger. But please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video. We're going to talk a little bit about Kodi today, but I'm installing a toolbox on my 1968 Chevy Truck, which is going to be interesting. And we're going to talk about that a little bit. It's cheaper to buy an aluminum one than it is to build a wooden one. And the shipping's free. They're under $100. They come with the locks and everything. So, stay tuned and watch that. And we're going to talk a little bit about Kodi on the way. And just enjoy yourself. But please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, because without you, the channels are getting turned off if you're not viewing and not giving the thumbs up. So let's move on out to the truck and install that toolbox. So this is my 1968 Chevy truck that I've been working on. I know it's a little bit in the shade, but we're going to put a toolbox on it today. Let me see if I can get back here where I'm going to be working at. So I'm going to be working right there. And in order to do this job, I gotta have some bolts and nuts and stuff. So I got a variety of things here that I've had over the years. But I think I'm gonna need 4 long carriage bolts. Let's see. Wow. Those are not long enough, but this one is. That one's long enough. Nuts, washers. There's the other bolt I was looking for, I think. Yeah, so we got 2 there. It's going to go all the way through there. And bolt that to the bottom to hold the toolbox up. So let's get the toolbox and put it in there and jack it up. And then we'll start working on drilling some holes and stuff. So now, as you can see, I had to have a little help here, a cinder block and a car jack to hold the toolbox up in place. And now what I'm going to do is open it up, figure out where I'm going to drill my holes to bolt it through at, and then I'm going to bolt it through to hold it in. So let me figure that out. I'll show you what's going on in just a minute. Okay, now that I got my toolbox in position, I've got my cool Ryobi drill. Got me a new drill bit that's long enough to go all the way through. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to drill the hole at. So it's going to be about right here. So let's get the drilling. I'm going to drill it through one of the studs. It's not going to be just through the decking. So, and then when I put my diamond plate aluminum on the top and wrap it, you'll never see this. Down to the metal, and my drill battery went dead. But you know what? I have another one. I have a backup. So when you're using battery operated equipment, you always have to have a backup and have it charged, ready to go. I hope this one is. I don't remember if it is or not. Okay, that one's drilled. Look at that. So now, see if I got some washers here. I think I have some washers. Inevitable. That gives me a little bit bigger shape, a little bit more biting power. So I'm going to suck that down, and I'm going to use a washer on the bottom, and I'm going to use a locking nut so it don't back off. Now, let's see, where do we want to put the other one? Let's see, my next stud is right here, which I could drill a hole right here. So let's drill a hole right here. Alrighty then. Okay, another washer, another nut. Now, I'm going to wrench and tighten it up. I'm going to pull it down tight where it's, I'll show you in a minute, where these bolt heads are even with the wood. That way when I put my deck on top, it'll be head, it'll be smooth. No, I don't live on a real busy street. I mean, it is busy, but it's a dead end. It's a back street in the very back of the neighborhood. But we sure do get a lot of traffic through here. Okay, let me show you what's going on here. So, I bolted these through the top. I'm probably going to put some more bolts in them, but they're pretty even with the top. And, you know, they're, let me take the camera off so you can get in there and see. Hold on a minute. So now, you can see that bolt's hanging down. I'm going to cut those off. I might not cut them off. I might just get me another long one like that and put a 2x4 across in here to give it more support. But I've got it in, and that's what counts. So, and some people say, well, why didn't you just build a toolbox? I ordered this toolbox online and it was under $100, and it just does fit. You see, I left enough room, but I had to make it overhang here about 1 inch. right here, about 1 inch, but still that's okay. And you could not buy the wood if you wanted to do this with wood. You could not build this with wood for $100, and with the locks and everything, and it's waterproof because it's got a waterproof seal on it. And now with the door closed, you know, it gives a little added something to the truck. Look at that, looks pretty good. So now you can see the whole truck and see the toolbox. I mean, it turned out okay. I'm gonna bolt it up a little bit better than that, but that's just the concept, and I'm gonna put some wood inside to hold it up better, but it's in there pretty good. It's not going nowhere. So this is my 1968 Chevy truck. I saved it from going to the junkyard. They were gonna junk it. That's a shame, but got rid of the bed and built the wooden flatbed, which is all pressure treated in 3/4 inch plywood. I'm probably going to put diamond plate aluminum on top of it to dress it up a little bit more. But hey, it's okay. Alright, well that's it for the toolbox. So next, I'm going to remove this radio and install a new radio, because I've tried to recycle stuff and I went to the junkyard and got this one and it works, but it don't work good. And LED lights you can't really see when you're watching, you know, trying to pick your channel and stuff. So I paid $40 for that one at the junkyard. I paid $37 for this one for new at the parts house. So, you know, I should have just bought a new one and put in there to start with. But that's my next project, and when I get started on it, I will sure enough make a recording of it. Don't fret too much about the dash. I got a new dash and dash pad coming, so don't worry too much about that. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, because, you know, I'm going to keep videos coming to you, and if you don't meet the qualifications and the amount of views and subscribers, they cut your channel off now. So I know thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of channels have been demonetized, and a lot of people just quit because you got to have 4,000 hours of watch time. You got to have at least 1,000 subscribers to have a channel that you can monetize. So a lot of people are going to stop doing it. But this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. There's not anything really new about Kodi right now, so stay tuned for the Kodi stuff, and then when something new comes up, I'll let you know. Kodi 18 is going to be coming out soon. It's in beta. It's not ready. Please don't install it if you see it somewhere, because it's not ready. But 17.6 is what we're using now. And on the last video, the previous video, which I'll put a link somewhere here, pop up or something, that you can go back and look and see all the add-ons that are working, and some of the TV shows and stuff that I prefer to watch. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. I tried to make this as short as possible. But again, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, because we got to keep the channels going that's up and running, and that's the only way we're going to keep them going, is for you guys to watch the videos. Thanks, and have a great day.